Outstanding design defines the 2009 Volvo XC70. This four-door, five-passenger wagon just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Volvo are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a roof rack, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.